It's not good. It mashed up my house.
It mashed up.
Oh. Oh no. But at least when he's safe.
At least we're safe, right?
Yeah.
We stayed together.
Yeah.
I miss you, Aya.
I miss you, Aya.
We'll see you
I
soon.
love you.
Love you.
I love you.
Bye, baby.
Bye.
Well, go on, everybody. This is our new reality in Jamaica. We are completely devastated. This is what I don't put this shirt on to come to you as Food Boss. I come to you as Matthew. I just took a drive and my place is completely destroyed. Everybody's place around us is, if not completely, just almost destroyed. It's apocalyptic. The roofs are gone, the clothes are wet, the place is complete, well, not annihilated, but complete destruction. We're thankful for life. We give thanks that everybody that has made it out safe is safe, and we build from this, we get stronger. I mean, we can't build without life, so we're thankful and grateful to have life, but it's rough. It's a rough scene. I'll try to show you exactly what's going on around me, and just so that we could help people, help Jamaica, and all I can ask is pray for us.